Welcome to the Solax Instructional Installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of Solax X3-NEO-LV. Before the installation, we kindly request you to take a moment to view the user manual. The ambient temperature should be between -25 degrees to 60 degrees. The relative humidity shall be between 0 to 100%. Please do not install the inverter in the areas where the altitude exceeds 3000 m, and remember, avoid direct sunlight, rain exposure, and snow accumulation. Install the inverter at least 500 meters away from the coast and avoid sea breeze directly hit. Open the package and check the materials and accessories according to the following list. Before the installation, please prepare the following tools for a proper installation. Let's check the dimensions of the wall mounting bracket and ensure that enough space is reserved for the installation and heat dissipation of the entire system. Horizontally align the wall mounting bracket with the wall, adjust the position of the bracket with a spirit level until the bubble stays in the middle, and then mark holes. Drill the holes and knock the expansion tubes into the holes. In this video, we use Solax stand as an example. Lift up the inverter and hang it onto the wall mounting bracket. Make sure that the inverter is mounted on the bracket as shown in the video. Use screws to secure the inverter on both sides. Before the wiring, please check the terminal definition of inverter. Connect the assembled PE cable to the grounding point of the inverter and secure it. Remove the protective cover inside the inverter. Please store it properly after removal. Thread the cable through the swivel nut, puncture a waterproof seal, then pass through the bat terminal. Connect the positive and negative cables to their respective positions, screw back the removed screws. Gently pull the cable backward to ensure firm connection, tighten the swivel nut clockwise. Reinstall the protective cover onto the inverter. Prepare a grid cable, a generator cable, and an EPS cable. Strip the protective layer of L1, L2, L3, N, and the grounding conductor according to the recommended length in the table. Let's take the grid wire as an example. Use a tape measure to measure the length and strip the wire. Cut the waterproof plug and thread the 5-core wire through it. Insert the grid cable through the grid port. Strip the wire. Put on the heat shrink tube. Use hydraulic pliers to crimp the terminals. Use a heat gun shrinking the tubing. Connect the PE. Connect the NL3-L2-L1. Connect generator wiring and EPS wiring in sequence. Remove the PV terminal caps and connect the assembled PV connectors to the corresponding terminals until there is an audible click. Loosen the swivel nut on the enclosure, and then remove the sealing plugs from the cable support sleeve as needed. Do not remove the sealing plugs from holes if you choose not to connect the cable. Connect the BMS port. We provide two CT connection methods. You can choose according to your actual situation. Insert the RJ45 terminal of the CT into the COM6. Make sure that the connection is tight until you hear click. Clamp the CT to L1. Clamp the CTS to L2. Clamp the CTT to L3. For case 2, we need one RJ45 connector. Insert the RJ45 terminal on the other end of the network cable and the RJ45 terminal on the CT into the RJ45 connector. Clamp the CTR to L1. Clamp the CTS to L2. Clamp the CTT to L3. The arrow on CT must point to the inverter. Connect the dongle. After the connection is completed, replace the upper cover as follows. Tighten the screws. Install the screw cover into the hole position on the upper cover. Turn on the DC switch. Press the system switch down to the on. Thanks for watching.